Today, we're diving into the realm of IP addresses, the unsung heroes ensuring our messages find their right spot in the vast online world. A glance at an IP address like 192.168.1.1 might look like a random jumble of numbers and dots, but there's a method to the madness. It's a unique code, letting devices talk to each other across the internet. You could say it's how they say hello. Let's dissect it a bit. An IP address is split into 4 sets of numbers, each ranging from 0 to 255. This format, known as IPv4, comprises 32 bits, creating over 4 billion unique addresses. That's a lot, but with billions online, we started running low on these digital house numbers. Because of this, the tech wizards introduced IPv6, with a much longer string of numbers and letters, expanding our address space exponentially. Each time your gadgets like laptops, smartphones, or smart fridges hook up to the internet, they're assigned an IP address. This digital badge guides the data to and from, ensuring your cat videos and urgent emails find their way. Now here's where it gets a tad more techie. To slow down the rate at which we were using of IP addresses, the clever folks introduced something called NAT, or Network Address Translation. Picture a postman at your door. He takes letters from everyone in the house, heads out, and delivers them. If there are any replies, he collects and distributes them back at home. NAT does a similar job, bunching up several addresses from your network, presenting a single IP address to the outside world, and managing the back-and-forth communication. The next time you're venturing through the digital wilderness, remember, every click is guided by an IP address. It's your unique identifier and the postal system of the internet rolled into one. And whether you're a casual surfer or a cybersecurity guru, understanding IP addresses just adds another layer to your digital savvy.